Hey guys, it's Miss DeBerry, and I am here to give you a little extra help with rational numbers. So we're going to skip that. All right, so ordering rational numbers. I know there's a video the district provided. I just want to break it down a little bit more. So here are the numbers that we are starting with: -6 3/100, 6%, 6/8, and 68/100. So step one, we're going to put all the numbers in the same format. I prefer decimals. They're just a little easier to work with rather than making them all percents or all fractions. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use the power triangle that's in the resources in the class notes that Mr. Tice posted. Here it is again. And, you know, maybe like try to remember what it looked like hanging on the wall in the classroom. And so my first number here, -6 3/100, is already in a decimal format. I don't even have to do anything for that. But 6% on the power triangle, I am going from a percent to a decimal, so I have to go backwards. Okay. And so that means I'm going to move the decimal instead of to the right. I'm going to move it to the left 2 places. If you want to get real picky, I'm technically dividing by 100, but that would make this 0.06. Okay, so I've scooped once and twice. 6/8, if I'm doing 6/8, I'm going from a fraction to a decimal. We're doing top in, bottom out. Okay, so that would make me go 6 divided by 8. So 8 goes into 6 0 times. Add decimals, 8 goes into 67 times. That'd be 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Add a 0, bring it down. And 8 goes into 45 times. So that makes this 0.75. And then my last number is also already a decimal, so I'm in pretty good shape here. So now I've done step 1, and we're on to step 2. Sorry, just I'm trying to use 2 programs at once. It's fun. So now I need my slideshow to change. Okay. And we're going to get rid of those notations. So step 1, we've put the numbers in the same format. I have them up here at the top in the decimal format and then in their original format underneath. Step 2, we're going to order these numbers by comparing the decimal places. So you may want to take them and stack them so all the decimals are lined up. That's one way to do it. I'm not going to do that just for ease of the program I'm using. Nope, let's back that up. Okay, so I have here, this number is a negative and all the other numbers are positive. So without any other information, I know that the negative number is smaller than everything else. But then I'm going to look at my tenths place. I have a 0, a 7, and a 6. So if I'm ordering from least to greatest, which has the least in the tenths place? That's going to be the 0. This is the least in the tenths place. The next one, so this would be our smallest. This would be our second smallest. This next smallest number in the tenths place is a 6. So this is my third smallest. And then this would be my fourth smallest, which is technically my largest one. Okay. And they correspond underneath here. So when we go to the next part, when I'm going to my next part here, I put them in the same order. I've compared their decimal places, and now I'm going to place them in the number line, but I'm going to have to use that original format. So be a number line here. I'll make it a little bigger. The smallest one we already said was -6.03. The second smallest would be 0.6. And if I make this 0, 0.6, my number line is not going to be to scale. 0.6 would 0.06. That's super tiny. That's going to be like right here. Okay. So I'm going to label these with letters. So this would be B. And then 75 would be, 75/100 would be over here. So that's C. And then D would be close to that. Okay. So I used, first, I put the numbers in the same format into decimals. Next, I ordered them by comparing the decimal places. And then last, I put them on the number line using their original format. So I just wanted to go through those steps with you so it was very clear what you needed to do to compare. I miss you guys, and feel free to email me or get on our meetings on Mondays and Wednesdays and Fridays from 12 to 1, and I will see you there. Bye.